Hello everybody, we're listening to Funny Ringtones 100. Now, I won't be able to go through all 100. I'm gonna go through the first few. I've seen a lot of these, I think all of them. And they're, oh wow. Wow. Cheap. So, just listen to him.
Hey, a real pimp handles his business, man. This is David Dunner, and the first thing you should do is answer this call!
Wow. Yeah, these are just ringtones. I don't know how to install them or anything, just so don't even ask me.
Listen, dear. Hello? Could you please pick up the phone, darling? Really, could you pick it up quickly? You know how annoying it is to those around you who are trying to sleep or read or whatever they're doing, and all they hear is this. Meantime, the sooner you pick up, the quicker I stop talking.
Ring, 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 banana phone. Ring, 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 banana phone. I've got this feeling, so appealing, for us to get together and sing, sing. Ring, 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 banana phone. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding, banana phone. It grows in bunches, I've got my hunches. It's the best, beat the rest. Cellular, modular, interactive, modular. Ring, 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 banana phone. Ping pong, ping.
Wow, this thing. Wow. Sorry we couldn't finish that.
Pick up the phone, 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 'cause there's a call for you.
Wow, I like that.
Bling bling, bling bling, bling bling.
What?
Bring me good news by telephone. Make me happy, oh baby. Bring me good news by telephone. Make me happy, baby.
Cheeky. You've got a man online.
Oh, no.
Wherever there's a fool, there's always a flirt. Whenever there is school, there'll always be homework. Whenever there's a beat, there's always a drum. Whenever there's fun, there's always Coca-Cola. Yeah. Always Coca-Cola. The stars will always shine, the birds will always sing. As long as there is thirst, there's always the real thing.
That was long.
Your daddy's calling you, wants to see what you're up to. If you wait till the song is through, just might miss him. Your daddy's calling you, wants to see what you're up to. If you wait till the song is through. Work all night on a drink or rum. Start banana till the morning come. Rodney, answer that phone, you great plong car. You know it makes sense. Cushty lovely jubbly. Rodney, answer that phone, you great plong car. You know it makes sense. Cushty lovely jubbly. I know what you're thinking. Do I wait 6 rings or only 5? Answer the phone. You might get lucky, punk.
captain speaking. The weather conditions right now very rainy and windy out there now. But it, we're gonna take off anyway.
Bruh. Wow. A drunk captain.
Hello, BBC.
May I excuse you, sir? Your telephone is ringing.